Hey guys, how's it going? Today let's do part 2 of my blues double stops video. And this is the most classic thing you can do as a blues rhythm guitar player. Everyone's got to know this, and you could essentially travel around the entire planet and play this with people all over the world. That's one of the best things about the 12-bar blues, is that it's pretty universal. Whether they even speak English or speak your language or not, you can probably jam. So today, I've got 4 very cool variations for you. We're going to use them based on the open strings because, well, these get either really stretchy or nearly impossible if you move them away from the open strings. That's something you can experiment with on your own. So, quick review from last video. Our default is just going to be this. I'm playing an A pattern today on the 5th string and the 4th string, like this. So there's our default pattern. We're going to make some variations to that today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and share and comment and all that fun stuff. My channel's just getting started, so it all really helps. I want to make videos to help and inspire people all over the place. I've been teaching guitar almost my whole life, but just getting started on this little YouTube adventure. Thanks so much. Let's take a look at variation number 1. Oh, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You've probably heard this one before. So 2nd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, and 4th fret. Try it out. That's pretty straightforward, but it's a really fun variation you can add in almost any time you want. So here's variation number 2, a slightly harder version of the same thing. We're still just moving our notes around on the 4th string. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. There you go, try that one out. That one sounds especially cool as you speed it up. So our last 2 variations today are going to involve adding 2 notes on the 5th string. We're going to add the 3rd fret with your middle finger and the 4th fret with your ring finger, your 3rd finger. We're going to do them in that order pretty much all the time. This combination of notes, when you combine them with the open string, is a classic sound that brings out the feel of the blues. So take a look at this. Playing 1 note at a time for those last 2 notes, but you can also play double stops. Just like that. Now, all of the variations that we've done today, you can play in other combinations as well. You can change the timing, You can combine all these ideas together. You can explore these groups of notes and come up with some variations of your own. So here is our last variation for today. Check this out. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You can also play this one as single notes. Sometimes it has a bit of a country music feel if you play it slowly especially, but it depends on the style of music you're playing along to. It can still be very bluesy at the same time. So try out all these blues. Try them out with a 12-bar blues in the key of A. Check out this video if you don't understand a 12-bar blues in the key of A. And yeah, try out all those variations. Let me know how it goes in the comments, or let me know where you're watching from. I'm down in Buenos Aires, Argentina right now. Where are you? I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.